Hey guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel, and this will be the next part of unit number 4 video series. So the link to the PDF tutorial is given in the description down below. Feel free to use the link in the description to download the tutorial. This tutorial is the fourth one of unit number 4, and this covers the gaseous exchange part in plants with leaf structure, K plus influx hypotheses, and such related small topics. And this is a bit smaller than the other tutorials, but the next one will be a long one, and stay tuned for that. And also, if you're interested in joining my classes or discussing any type of biology questions or doubts that you have, the link to our WhatsApp group is also linked in the description. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you guys found this helpful. See you from the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.